Doug and Stacy, and today I want to address a problem a lot of people are experiencing all over the world with these harsh winters right now. We're having like Arctic chill here, and a lot of people are having problems with their chicken or their duck or their goose eggs, and they're cracking because of the weather. And we noticed a lot of posts on Facebook and Instagram of people showing their cracked eggs. Don't throw them out because you can use them just like you'd use any other eggs. So I have a few of these cracked eggs, and all I'm going to do today is I'm in the process of baking some poached eggs. And what I did was when I washed them and then I let them thaw out a little bit, and then I went ahead and used them just like you'd use any type of eggs. But let's say you have a whole bunch of these chicken eggs, go ahead and keep them in the freezer until you're ready to use them and then thaw them out. You don't want to just keep them setting out with them cracked this bad. And then that way you can make hard-boiled eggs, you can make chicken salad, or like chicken egg salad, you can do whatever you want with eggs, you know, scrambled eggs. So don't throw your eggs out. So I know a lot of people are just throwing them out, but you can use them just like you use any other egg. Just make sure you wash them before you go ahead and you do what you're going to do and use them like that. I just got these poached eggs out. I put them in the water and I just let them go. You know, I brought it to like a slow little boil, and then I took them out and let them set for a few minutes. And all I'm going to do is, maybe it went a little bit more, but here you go. I have more like a hard poached egg. There's one. So I let them go a little too long, but that's okay. They're still good. And then all you do is scoop them out, and then you can eat them. So just a quick tip. Don't, you know, throw the eggs out. Go ahead and use them just like you use eggs for anything else. The only thing is if you use something like, if you're going to make a souffle or something, it won't rise as much. But anything that you're going to blend them in with, they work great. So don't throw out those cracked eggs from winter. See you guys later. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And have a great day. See you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.